Have you ever wondered what acts as the brain of your refrigerator? Today we're talking about the refrigerator main control board, what it does, its main function, and how to tell when it has stopped working. The main control board is one of the most important components inside a modern refrigerator. Think of it as the refrigerator's computer. It receives information from various sensors throughout the appliance and tells different components when and how to operate. Without a working control board, many parts of the refrigerator simply won't function correctly. What is a refrigerator main control board? A refrigerator main control board is an electronic circuit board that controls and coordinates the operation of the refrigerator. It's usually located on the back of the refrigerator behind a protective cover, although some models place it in other locations depending on the manufacturer. The board contains electronic components, relays, and microprocessors that monitor and control the refrigerator's systems. What does the main control board do? The main control board communicates with multiple refrigerator components, including the compressor, evaporator, condenser fan motor, defrost heater, temperature sensors, ice maker, water dispenser, interior lights, display panel. The board constantly receives information from sensors and then sends commands to the appropriate components to keep the refrigerator operating efficiently. What is its main function? The primary function of the main control board is to manage and coordinate the refrigerator's cooling system. For example, when the temperature inside the refrigerator rises above the desired setting, the control board activates the compressor and fans to begin cooling. Once the correct temperature is reached, the board shuts those components off to prevent overcooling and save energy. The control board also controls the automatic defrost cycle, helping prevent ice buildup on the evaporator coils. In simple terms, the control board makes sure everything works together at the right time and in the right order. How to tell if the main control board has stopped working? A failed main control board can cause a variety of symptoms. Refrigerator not cooling. If the compressor isn't receiving power from the control board, the refrigerator may stop cooling completely. Fans not running. The evaporator fan or condenser fan may stop operating, causing poor cooling performance. Intermittent operation. The refrigerator may work normally one day and fail the next. Random operation is often a sign of a failing electronic control board. Display panel not working. If the display is blank, flashing, or unresponsive, the main control board could be the cause. Defrost problems. A failed board may prevent the defrost heater from activating, causing excessive frost buildup inside the freezer. Lights or features not working. Water dispensers, ice makers, lights, or other electronic features may stop functioning unexpectedly. Burning smell or visible damage. Sometimes you can inspect the control board and see burnt spots, melted components, or damaged traces. You may also notice a burnt electrical smell. How to confirm a bad control board? Before replacing the control board, always check power supply to the refrigerator, compressor relay and overload, temperature sensors, fan motors, wiring connections. Many symptoms that look like a bad control board can actually be caused by another failed component. If all other components test good and the board is not sending proper voltage where it should, the main control board is likely defective. The refrigerator main control board is the brain of the appliance. It controls the compressor, fans, defrost system, and many other functions that keep your food cold and fresh. When the board fails, you may notice cooling problems, fan failures, display issues, or other strange behavior. Proper testing is important before replacing it, but understanding the symptoms can help you diagnose problems more quickly. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more appliance repair tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.